To connect an iPhone and use Apple CarPlay in your Audi, first, go to Settings app, which is the double gear icon. Tap Connections, then Connection Manager. From here, tap Add New Device. On your phone's Bluetooth settings screen, locate and tap the same vehicle name shown on the MMI. From there, a code will pop up on the phone and MMI, allowing you to confirm the connection. Next, you will see a screen confirming you want to use CarPlay. This will connect the phone via Bluetooth and the vehicle's Wi-Fi. You can always connect CarPlay by connecting a USB-C cable to the front charging ports and your phone. The CarPlay app will also now display its map and directions in the virtual cockpit as well. To switch between multiple connected devices, go to Settings, Connections, and tap Connection Manager. Here, you can switch to and manage all of your connected devices. With Apple CarPlay, your Audi delivers connectivity, entertainment, and convenience.